Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Discover with Jesse, and today I want to take you guys on a trip from Ohafia to Uzuakoli. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. If you're a returning viewer, I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thanks for always coming back to watch my videos, and if you are a new viewer, the first time you're tuning into my channel, thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share. Uzuakoli is an area in Abia state of eastern Nigeria that includes several villages. It has been home to the Methodist College, the popular Methodist College, a large market, clandestine slave trading, a leprosy settlement, a lots of festival and conflict. One of the first Methodist missionaries there was Bernard Batty, whose sons attended Ancient College in York. The community is in the Igbo heartland. So we are actually in Ohafia right now. So we are leaving Ohafia. This is Uzuakoli Road, Ohafia. So we are heading to Uzuakoli, the Ancient Kingdom of UZUAKOLI. You'll notice in this video, movements everywhere. It's Christmas. It's a festive season, so a lot of people came back this Christmas in the Ohafia area. Okay, a lot of people came back to celebrate the Christmas with their loved ones, their family members and well-wishers. How is your own Christmas going? Is your own Christmas going well? Comment in the comment section how your Christmas is going. For me, my Christmas is just there and it's okay. I have many videos about Uzuakoli, but I'm going to be dropping them one after the other. Okay, I have many interesting videos, but I'm going to be dropping them in batches. Okay, so you all know this road. This road is leading you to, this is Ibeku. All this area is Ibeku. Okay, so this road is the Obane market, the Obane modern market in Ohafia, which is the major market in Ohafia for traders, where you buy foodstuffs and other things. Okay, so this is the road that leads to Obane modern market. So this road leading to Uzuakoli, you can see beside the road you see palm trees and rice farm. Okay, so those grass like stuff you're seeing beside the road, these are rice farms. Okay, the red roof you are seeing over there, that's an estate. I think it's called Treadmore Estate. So it's an estate there. Yeah, the red roofs you're seeing there. Yeah, Treadmore Estate. So we are not far from Uzuakoli. Uzuakoli is not far from Ohafia. Okay, it's not far at all, and they share boundary with Ohafia. So once you just pass Uzuakoli, you don't enter Ohafia. If you're coming from the Uzuakoli side, you go pass Uzuakoli. The next place you enter na Ohafia straight. So you can see the bushes here. They are dusty because this December, no be small thing. So harmattan and dust dey everywhere. You can see vehicular movement. Look down, you see cars are moving, people are traveling. People travel this Christmas. That's one thing I noticed about this Christmas. People traveled a whole lot, because even in my own hometown, a lot of people came back. So you can see people are traveling. The road is lively. Okay, it's lively. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be getting notifications when I drop video. So this is another rice field that I had to stop by and make a video here. So this is a rice field or rice farm. Okay, you can see you can see it growing inside this farm. You can see it. So the people of Uzuakoli, they are rich in agriculture. They plant rice, not just Uzuakoli, but Ohafia, even some part of Ibeku. So this is a palm tree plantation. You can see the whole lot of palm trees. So these are economic trees. Okay, you make a whole lot of money from palm tree. It's an economic tree. All parts of the palm tree, no one is a waste. Okay, but I don't want to talk much about it. Okay. So we are actually in Uzuakoli. Yes, we are in Uzuakoli right now. So welcome to Uzuakoli, guys, the Ancient Kingdom of Uzuakoli. Okay. So I'm going to take you guys to the oldest secondary school in Abia State. You can see a group of children coming all in traditional attire. They are celebrating the Iloso festival. You can see them there. Yeah, they are celebrating the Iloso festival. It's a popular festival in Uzuakoli. Okay. A friend of mine from Uzuakoli has told me about it. I never knew about it. So you can see over there in the road. Italy, that's almost palm fronts. You use it to tie a bucket. Maybe it's signifying that they are celebrating something today. So I saw something that caught my attention and I decided to go close. So you can see that Methodist College Uzuakoli, and down you see where see where they wrote people that did this stuff you're seeing over here. So I'm going to take you to the secondary school, Methodist College. Guys, there are a whole lot of interesting things about Uzuakoli. In fact, I have a lot of videos for you about Uzuakoli, but I just decided to be dropping them one after the other. Okay, this one might not be too interesting to you. Don't worry, the next one that I'm going to drop, you will love it. So I'm taking you to the secondary school, the first and oldest secondary school in Abia State, second oldest secondary school in the whole of Southeast. Maybe your fathers schooled here, maybe your uncles schooled here. I know people that schooled here. Some of the old people, they are not kids. You understand? Like I said, is the oldest secondary school in Abia State. So this is the road, and that's the gate over there. Methodist College Uzuakoli. Okay. A group of missionaries of the Primitive Methodist Church of Great Britain founded the Uzuakoli Institute UI in 1923. In 1931, it was renamed Methodist College. According to the records, the group of missionaries who established the college was led by Reverend Herbert Lewis Octavia Williams, its first principal. At various times from inception to 1959, British missionaries administered the college. This included Reverend Hardy, Reverend Carver, Reverend Agri, Reverend Woods, Reverend McKay, Reverend William Beale, H. Spray, and Reverend E. Bernard Hall, who arrived in 1959 to be the last European missionary to serve as principal. In his final period of service in 1963, he stepped down to be deputy principal and served under Mr. Kano Achinivu, the first Nigerian-born principal of the college. As a result of the handing over of some secondary schools to their original owners by the Abia State Governor, then Chief T.A. Oji, Methodist College Uzuakoli was returned to the Methodist Mission Nigeria on 14 September 2012. In 2013, the principal was Reverend Best Okike. Methodist College is located on approximately 93 acres of land in Omochama, Amamba Village, Uzuakoli District in Abia State. The college operated the Uzuakoli Leprosy Research Center, which was run and overseen by some of the same missionaries who served at the college. Reverend T.F. Davy from Great Britain led the foundation for the research center. So you can see how big the school is. Okay, so this is probably the school your fathers, your uncles went to those days. Those days, okay. You don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I have a lot of videos about Uzuakoli. I'm going to take you. Uzuakoli is known for a whole lot of things, both slave trade, a lot of things. I'm going to post more videos about Uzuakoli. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can see the valley, Abia Hill over there. I want to take you closer a bit to see if you can see it. Okay, see how beautiful it is. Wow, this is nice. This is a beautiful sight to behold. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Returning viewers, thank you so much, and my new viewers, thank you so much. I have a lot of videos I'm still gonna upload, even the ones that are already on my channel. See you soon. See you next time. Thanks a lot.